Okay, we got another 67 Mustang here, and this one is built to the max. This one was actually in the 2014 Hot Rod Power Tour that me and my son were at, and so we're actually getting to see it again, which was pretty cool. We had a great time at that. I got James here again. He's gonna tell you a little bit about this car.
Yeah, so this is actually one that we built in-house. We built it for the Power Tour 2014. The cool thing about this one is that this is, I think, the first time they ever put a 527 in it. So
wow.
It's a John Kazi 527 motor in it. It's a Boss 9.
Wow.
And
that is crazy.
This thing's detuned down to a little over 800 horsepower right now.
Whoa. You hear that, guys? 800 horsepower.
The engine is actually capable of about 1,200.
Woo, man. This thing is bad.
Yeah, this thing's a monster. Obviously, modern Detroit speed suspension.
Okay.
Bare brakes. You know, you gotta have some stops to go with all that go. And but still trying to keep the kind of classic Shelby look to it.
Oh, it sure does. Man, it does. You got a spare in the back.
You got to, and you got that much power behind it. So.
Yeah, in the long hauls.
But yeah, went with a more traditional kind of, you know, looking interior on it. So if you close the hood on this thing, to the untrained eye, it's a little bit of a sleeper.
Yeah, until they hear the exhaust, right?
Until they hear the exhaust, yeah.
Man, I would understand why you detune it though, because you could kill yourself in a car like this. This is amazing.
You can do it with 850. I mean, 1,200 is a lot.
Yes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's that Hot Rod Power Tour sticker. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I had a 67 GT350 clone fastback that I bought a long time ago, resold it.